So the first item we're going to get is going to be the Poise Pads. They're $5 and we have a coupon on the Dollar General app for $4 off. Okay, so $5, the coupon takes off $4. That leaves us to only pay $1. I like the fact that these are $5. That puts us so much closer to hitting that $25 mark. The next item we're going to get is going to be the Always Discreet. They're $3 as always. And we have a coupon on the app for $2 off. So they're $3. The coupon takes off $2. That leaves us to pay only $1. This is kind of a trend. These were $5. The coupon takes off $4, so we pay $1 for these. These are $3. The coupon takes off $2, so we pay $1 for these. That is a good deal for both of these items. So next, I'm going to be getting the Big Extra Fun pencils. That's these right here. And they're only $1, even though the tag says $2. They're only $1. And we have a coupon on the Dollar General app for $1 off. So that makes these free. If you've been following me for a while, you know that already. We've been getting these for like the last 3 weeks. But yeah, they're $1. The coupon takes off $1. So yep, free. So far, if you look in the cart, we've spent $1 here, $1 there, and $0 there. So this is like $2 worth of stuff. Plus, we haven't even calculated all the extra savings we're going to get on top of that. So for my next two items, I'm going to be getting the Old Spice body wash, but I'm going with the ones that are $4.50. They have other varieties. These are $5.50. You can get the ones that are $5.50 if you're willing to spend a little bit more, but I'm just going to get the ones that are $4.50 because, of course, the objective is to save money. So I'm getting 2 of these. We have a coupon on the Dollar General app that says save $5.49, save $5.49 when you buy 2. So I'm just going to get 2 of these and we will save $5.49 off of 2. That seems like a pretty good deal. Okay, so for my next item, I'm going to add the Febreze small spaces. Now, it doesn't have to be these. You can get Febreze small spaces, and you're going to see I'm going to get wax melts too. But you can mix and match. But I'm getting one of these. They're $3, and we have a coupon on the Dollar General app to save $3 when you buy 2 Febreze products. Now, the Air Effects, those are the sprays. They're not included with the coupon, so be careful not to get those. But these are. So I'm going to get one of these, and I'm going to get one of the wax melts because the wax melts are also, let's see, sorry I'm walking so fast. The wax melts are also $3, and I think that's a pretty good price. So these are $3 and they qualify with the coupon. They match that coupon. So I'm getting one of the small spaces and one of the wax melts, and the coupon says save $3 when you buy 2. So I'm just going to add these to the cart. This is what that cart is looking like now. Okay. So this is what the cart is looking like. I'm at around $24. So I need to add one more item to be at $25 and use that 5 off 25 coupon. So you know what? For this last item, you add whatever you want. I'm looking at some really cute stuff that they have. So I just need to add $1 of whatever I want. They have some really cute stuff for $1. Maybe I'll go to the dollar aisle and see what I can add for $1. They have some really nice dollar products in here too. So for that last item, just add $1 worth of whatever you want and we're gonna be ready to check out. So this is everything that I have. I decided to get one of these spick and span from the dollar aisle. So this is like $25 worth of stuff. Make sure you have everything. 2 Febreze, 1 Poise, 2 Old Spice, 1 Always Discreet, Big Extra Fun pencils, and then an item for $1, whatever you choose, an item of your choice. I always come to the dollar aisle because it's so easy to come over here and to just pick up something for $1. They have so many options, y'all, so it's so easy. When I have that $1 left over to get whatever I want, I usually just come down here because they have a lot of great options. But now I'm ready to go check out. Let's see what my total comes out to be. All right, y'all, so the transaction went perfectly. I got 8 items, y'all, 8 items, and you're not gonna believe the total. This was all digital. Just keep in mind this was all digital. Y'all, I'm right by a busy street. If it's loud, I'm sorry, so that's why I'm raising my voice. But 8 items for this first transaction. My total came out to $4.51 plus tax. $4.51 plus tax, and we used the coupons correctly. We used them the right way. We didn't have to do anything wrong or use any, you know, coupons incorrectly. So $4.51 was the total for 8 items. Y'all, I'm happy with this one. All digital coupons. Now I also did a paper coupon transaction, and oh my gosh, like seriously, bro, every time I'm doing like a haul from the trunk, because you know it's busy in the store, every time I'm doing like a haul thing from the trunk, there's always loud cars. Dollar Generals are like always by the street, y'all. Anyways, $4.51 for this transaction. I'm loving this one. Let's take a look at my paper coupon transaction and I'll tell y'all how everything went. But plot twist, every single coupon worked just like it was supposed to. Okay, so the first thing I got for this second transaction was the Bic. These razors, they're only $3.30, and I used a $3 off coupon, so easy peasy for that. And then I just came right over here to the Covergirl Eye Pencils. They're $4, and I used a $3 off paper coupon for the Covergirl Eye Pencils. $4, use a $3 off coupon, comes out to $1. Easy peasy. Then I turned around and went right back over here to the Suave because I got to thinking about a Suave deal. So I got 3 of these Suave little dollar deodorants because I want to put them in a bigger deal. No coupon for those, but it goes perfectly with a Suave deal that I want to do. So I'll show you guys that in a second. But the next thing I went ahead and got the Poise Pads. They're $5, but we have that $4 off coupon, so that makes them $1. And then I got the Always Discreet, $3, and we're going to use a $2 off coupon, so that makes them $1. So this is paper coupons, so it should be kind of advanced. So hopefully I'm not going too fast, because if you use paper coupons, then you should be able to kind of follow along with me. So then I got 2 of the Febreze wax melts, $3 each, and I'm using a digital coupon for $3 off. Or you can use a paper coupon for buy one get one free, your choice. Then I came down here and I got the Tide Simply, $2.95, and we have a $1 off paper coupon, so that's what I was going to use on the Tide Simply. I was thinking about, like, what else should I get? So then I decided I might as well get the Bic Extra Fun pencils, because listen, they're pretty much free when you think about it. They're only $1. We have that $1 off coupon. It just seems like you should just be putting those in your transaction if you have it. And keep in mind that I'm doing this on a separate Dollar General account. If you're using paper coupons, you should probably know that already. You can't use the same digital coupons over and over again. You have to, for each transaction, use different accounts. So anyway, this is everything that I got. I was talking to y'all, but I had to do a voiceover because the store was getting kind of hectic. But this is what I got, and these are the coupons I used. For the Suave, I used the buy one get one free Suave coupons. It's basically for buy a body wash, get a men's item free. So I bought the $2 body wash for the Suave, and then I got the $3 men's body wash free. For the Poise and the Always, I use digital coupons. Here are the coupons I use for the Suave. No coupon for the Suave deodorant. I used a $1 off coupon for the Tide Liquid. And Febreze, I have a paper coupon there for the Febreze, but I ended up using a digital on the Febreze because I already had a digital clipped. But this transaction was pretty easy and it came out great. Alright, so this is my second transaction with the paper coupons, y'all. I feel so good about this transaction. 15 items. Guys, this one came out to $8 for 15 items. Let's look at that receipt. Yes, receipts or it didn't happen. Look, everything came off like it was supposed to. At least I think so. I haven't had a chance to really look at the receipt. I'm just excited about the total. I think everything came off. I hope that Suave coupon came off. I'll have to look at the app and see, but $8 plus tax for everything. So with my Florida tax, it came out to about $10, but $8 for 15 items, y'all. For real, okay? That was amazing. Now, my digital transaction, I thought that was pretty good. That was like, what, 8 items for $4? But this 15 items for $8. Either way, y'all, these transactions are the bomb. So, you know, the Bic, it was only $3.50. The $3 off coupon came off. The Covergirl was only like $4. The $3 off coupon came off. I didn't even have coupons for the deodorant, but you know, your girl keeps the deodorant because you can't be out here in these coupon streets, you know what I'm saying, without your deodorant. So I love this. Great donation items here with the Poise and the Always. I love to keep those stocked up for donations to the women's shelter, which I'm close to right now. So I might actually, you know what, I might actually, after I leave here, go drop this off at the shelter. I'm gonna go see if they're open, because I really don't need any of this. The only thing I'm gonna keep is the deodorant, because that's not something that I get a lot of while couponing, and I like to have that in the eyebrow razors. But almost everything else, if they're open, I'm probably going to go drop that off. That's a good thing to do, to check and see if they're open after this. I probably drop this off because I didn't really need too much of anything that I got today, but it's just the thrill of couponing. You got to love it. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. I'm out. So we're actually just gonna stop by the shelter. I don't know if they're open. I mean, by the thrift store that funds the women's shelter. I don't know if they're open because last time I came, like, they haven't been open the last couple times, but I'm definitely gonna go check. So the sign on the door says open. So, uh-oh, somebody's backing up. Let me hurry up. The sign on the door says open, so I'm hoping, yeah, that they're taking donations. Let's see, I don't see anything about, yeah, I don't see anything about no, but I'm definitely gonna ask just to be sure. Hey, are y'all taking donations?
How much do you have?
Not that much, it's all brand new. I just got it from Dollar General just now.
How many bags?
Like maybe like 10 bags?
Yeah.
For the shelter.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's like all brand new, like things for women.
Just pull on to the bag and just let them know it's for the shelter whenever you come in.
Okay, will do.
All right. Okay. We're just kind of have a lot of.
I figured.
Yeah, so that's why I said these questions.
Okay, no problem. Woo, y'all, oh my gosh. Okay, so she said they have a lot going on with everything just opening back up due to COVID. So they have a lot of donations coming in, but a lot of it is old stuff. So it's like, oh my gosh, piles and piles of clothes and all of that. So I'm pulling around to the back so I can take them what I just bought. All right, so this is the donation port. I'm gonna knock and let them know that I have a few bags. I'm glad I only brought a few things. Lord knows I thought about bringing like all the stuff I've been saving up for donations, but they can't do anything with all of that right now. So Deja, did you want to keep anything like these pencils or anything like that?
Oh, yeah,
you need
sure.
pencils. You and Cap can keep the pencils. I don't know what they'll do with the men's body wash, but I'm gonna leave it anyway because, you know, when you need it, you need it. So the wax melts, I don't think they need those in the shelter, not the wax melts. So, but everything else can go. Yep, we don't need the deodorant. We don't, I mean, we keep the deodorant and the wax melts, but everything else can go. The detergent, all the personal items, the razors, I think that's the kind of stuff they would be looking for anyway. And plus, she said they don't need a lot of bags. So let's keep it minimal for now. I wonder when they will be taking loads and loads of donations again. I'll have to ask because that's my thing.
Somebody came out.
Really? Hey. Just a few bags. She said you're not taking too much right now.
No. And Miss Faye, she said she wanted to talk to you too for some reason.
Oh, she wants to talk to me? Oh, sure. So it's just going to be this bag, this bag, this bag, and this bag. And it's all for the shelter.
Awesome. We will make sure they get there.
Do you know where she means in the front?
Yeah, she should be up in the
Okay,
front.
yeah, I'll go back around there.
Awesome. And this one?
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hopefully y'all will be taking more soon. I need to bring my huge yearly donation.
Right.
So
Yeah, they need
yeah.
to clear some stuff out. It's just been slow during this.
Okay. Oh, not a lot of shopping coming in.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, all right. I'll go back around to the front. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right. So one of the nice ladies that helps run the store, and she's really a hardworking lady here at this store. I mean, she really gives it all she has. And almost every time I come up here, I see her working hard. She asked me to come back in. She had one of the guys here to ask me to come back in. So not sure what that's about, but we'll go see. Any way I can help, I will. This is literally one of my favorite places to donate, honestly. All right, here we go. Going back in. Hey.
Hi. You know you are a very hard person to try to track down. Okay. I had like just a couple questions that I wanted to ask you.
Sure, do you want to ask off camera? Because I'm still recording. I can pause.